In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram carousel post. I'll explain you the steps you have to do really quick, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. Click on this plus icon. Make sure to select post, and after this, click on select multiple post. Once you do that, you can make a carousel by selecting the multiple images. You can make a multiple post at a time by using this option, then click on next. Select the option as per your requirement. If you want to add music, then you can select this option. If you like to add extra effects on the images, you can select this option. But make sure you select the images one by one. Then and only you can implement the effects on carousel post. Once you're done adding the effects, click on next and write your description here. You can select the option from here. If you like to add a location, if you want to tag a people, if you want to add a music, anything like that, you can see every information in here. If you want to set up a scheduled option, like you want to post this carousel on your selected time, then you can schedule the post as well. You can check the video given in the description. Once you'll add all the information, click on share, and this will be added in your Instagram handle. As you can see here, if I select this one, I can see that. So my carousel is ready. If you want to make a carousel on your Instagram handle, so that's how you can do it. If you are facing any problem related to Android, Windows 10, Windows 11, Ubuntu, Linux, you can visit to our forum page. The link is given in the description and the URL is displaying on your screen right now. You can visit to our forum page and there you can ask a question and our expert team will write you back. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.